Imagine this, your body drowning in sugar every day, crashing your energy, bloating your waist, wrecking your skin. But what if you quit cold turkey for 30 days? Days 1 to 7, withdrawal hits hard, headaches, cravings rage. But watch your blood sugar stabilize, brain fog vanish, and energy sparks ignite like never before. Week 2 magic. Skin glows crystal clear, no more breakouts. Your gut resets with trillions of good bacteria, slashing inflammation and bloating overnight. Week 3. Stubborn fat melts off. Up to 10 pounds gone. Mitochondria supercharge, flooding you with non-stop energy. Feel the power surge. Day 30. You've shed cravings, gained focus, and unlocked peak health. Glowing skin, shredded physique, unbreakable energy. This is your shocking transformation. Ready for your 30-day glow-up? Hit play, like, subscribe, and comment no sugar below. Your body will thank you. The science? Harvard studies show liver fat drops 30%, inflammation crashes, your body literally rebuilds itself. Myth: fruit sugar is safe. Truth: fructose poisons your liver same as soda. All sugar triggers insulin chaos. After day 30, cravings gone forever. Steady energy, clear mind. This isn't temporary. It's your new normal. Real results: 8 to 12 pounds lost, skin glowing, focus laser sharp. Your body thanks you every single day. Start today. Step 1, dump the soda. Step 2, read every label. Step 3, eat real food. That's it. Join the No Sugar Challenge. Comment day 1 below, smash like, subscribe for weekly health hacks. Transform starts now.